Also on a march to that wonderful growth we are having. And you can see the wind. It's a little cold and sunny day. It is a great day today, and generally is you have all the trappings of British weather today, although the rain has not fallen yet, as the whole of this week it's been raining cats and dogs, like normally happens during the spring. And that's what normally happens here. Spring, like in some countries they call it rainy season. So this is me on the march.